Hi, the other night I made some pot roast, which came out wonderfully. You can see it on my website, and I had a lot of extra tender slices of beef. So I saved them, and I'm calling this 2 nights after pot roast, tonight's beef and noodles. So I'm just heating up the slices of tender beef in its own juices. I'm going to be serving it over some buttered egg noodles with some green peas so that I can incorporate some vegetable into the meal. Now that I've added my egg noodles, I'm going to check the consistency of the beef gravy and see if it needs a little bit more sauce. So I'm going to add a little bit of the Swanson's beef stock to the McCormick brown gravy and make a little bit more gravy sauce. I'm just going to whisk this together, and I'll just keep judging and adding as I feel that it needs more. It's important that you add the brown gravy and the stock in a separate bowl and whisk it before adding to your meat, otherwise it'll separate. Okay, and now I'm going to add it to the beef slowly, stirring it in, giving it a little bit extra juice. And this is a very quick meal. The meat's almost done, the noodles will be done. We'll butter the noodles and add the peas after the noodles are buttered. So I'm just adding about 2 tablespoons of butter to the strained noodles, folding gently, and going to add my steamed green peas and fold this all gently so that I don't squish the noodles. And there you go, a quick beef and noodles dinner with peas. Thanks for watching.